Magandang hapon po ng Saturday, June 22, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5pm draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, June 22, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5pm. 3D Lotto 5pm draw result ngayong hapon ng June 22, 2024 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5pm. 'See you again later for 9pm draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Saturday, June 22, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 52.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 70 million pesos for Saturday, June 22, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5pm video for Saturday, June 22, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.